Welcome to Financial Literacy Lab, your guide to financial empowerment. Today, we're diving into the world of budgeting, the key to taking control of your finances. Budgeting is simply a plan for how you'll spend and save your money. It's about making your money work for you, rather than wondering where it went. Let's start with the basics. Open up a simple spreadsheet or grab a pen and paper. List down all your sources of income. Your income includes your salary, wages, freelance gigs, or any other money you receive regularly. This is the money you'll use to cover your expenses and save for the future. Next, divide your expenses into categories, fixed and variable. Fixed expenses are the bills that stay the same each month, like rent or mortgage payments, utilities, and insurance. These are the essentials that you need to pay no matter what. Knowing these amounts helps you plan for them in your budget. Variable expenses, on the other hand, can change month to month. These include groceries, dining out, entertainment, and shopping. These are the areas where you have more flexibility. Tracking them helps you see where you can adjust your spending to meet your financial goals. Now comes the fun part, setting your budget goals. Decide how much you want to allocate to each category based on your income and priorities. This step helps you see where your money is going and ensures you're not overspending in any area. Throughout the month, track your spending. You can use apps like Mint or simply jot down your expenses in your budget spreadsheet. This helps you stay accountable and adjust your spending if needed. Remember, it's okay to make changes as you learn more about your habits. One crucial part of budgeting is building an emergency fund. This is money set aside for unexpected expenses like car repairs or medical bills. Start small, even $20 a week adds up over time. Aim to build up to 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses for peace of mind. Lastly, celebrate your wins. Whether it's sticking to your budget for the month or reaching a savings goal, acknowledge your progress. Financial success is a journey, and every step counts. Remember, you're in control of your money, and budgeting is your roadmap to financial freedom. That's it for today's episode of Financial Literacy Lab. I hope you feel more confident about starting your budgeting journey. Stay tuned for more tips and guides on mastering your finances. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Financial Literacy Lab for more financial empowerment tips and tricks.